Recording in Hi, my name is Jessica Solis. I'm going to talk to you about the story of Jeff Bezos as and success stories of entrepreneur and the creator of Amazon. Jeff Bezos is the founder of Amazon. He is an excellent example of determination and perseverance. He founded Amazon in 1994 as a small online bookstore in his garage, where he started working hard to achieve his goal. Bezos successfully identified customers' needs and developed innovative solutions. His very ambitious vision allowed Amazon to become one of the most influential companies in the global market, which continues to grow every year. Amazon begins date back to an online bookstore called CalebCadabra.com, which was created during a period of significant change in the retail industry in the United States. While many companies focus mainly on physical storage, Bezos recognized the opportunities offered by the Internet and adapted quickly to technological change. Amazon works efficiently and continuously improves its service. The company carefully manages its operation and delivers products rapidly to customers around the world. These strategies, which have been extremely effective, helped Amazon expand internationally. One of Amazon's greatest strengths was its ability to innovate constantly. Bezos was able to reinvest most of the company profits in the new projects and technology. As a result, Amazon managed to diversify its service and become a global leader in e-commerce. Amazon can connect millions of customers with products and services worldwide. The company also supports many small businesses which can sell their products through Amazon's platforms. This creates opportunities in the different countries where people can access global markets more easily. Jeff Bezos' history inspires me because it shows that success requires dedication, work, and drive. To decrease, he managed to overcome many challenges and build a company that has a global presence and connects millions of people. As a future professional in international relations and business, I can learn from his example. His story motivates me to develop new skills and be able to face the challenge at the international business world. It also teaches me the importance of innovation and adaptability, which are essential qualities for professional success in today's globalized world. Thank you.